Alright guys, welcome to the channel Vimu. So today we are going to talk about a brand new website that allow us to make money online more than $1,000 a month. If you work hard, of course you can. Sorry for that. I need to first of all I need to tell you that most of the videos based on this GramFree.com reviews, and with their range, their reviews are based on English, not English. It's based on mostly YouTube channels are doing reviews on Hindi language, so that's why I am trying to do this on English in order to capture those things very easily. So this is gram free. First of all, we need to identify what is gram. It's like something. It's a cryptocurrency. You know Bitcoin. I hope you know Bitcoin because it's a very largely it's very what we call it's a very big market capitalization. Everyone knows Bitcoin and everyone use Bitcoin. So this gram is also somewhat a cryptocurrency. So let's see what is the gram is a cryptocurrency based on TON blockchain platform developed by Telegram. Guys, don't worry, I will go to the video, I will go to the review of the website, and I will show you how to earn money. First, before all of that, you need to identify what is this gram. Sometimes you may think that is this might be a this website might be a scam, or it will be extract your money or something like that, but it's fake. Bitcoin also started like this. They gave free cryptocurrencies everyone, and finally their market value has been rise so rapidly over the past few years. This might have very potential to do this coin also have that kind of potential. So that kind of potential in order to rapidly raise the market value. And TON blockchain platform developed by Telegram. A feature of Gram is high speed transaction. It's been high speed transaction capability. Cryptocurrencies implemented on early blockchain platforms due to low speed of transaction are more suitable for investment than for use as payment tool. For instance, Bitcoin can provide only 7 transactions per second for all users. Ethereum -15, and Gram blockchain platform is expected to be millions of transactions per second. Millions of transactions per second. In transaction wise, the Gram is the best cryptocurrency in the world right now. But it has low market value, which means ultimately when the time passes the demand will be increased. But if you have this gram currencies in your hand or your wallet, then ultimately you will become a very rich millionaire. That's kind of potential this gram has. So let's get into the video without further ado. Thank you. So in this website, this is gram free. You need to log in with your Facebook account or with your Google. So I'm going to go sign up within my Google account. give give them your Google account. Enter your password. Guys, don't worry, this is a secured server. You can see there is a locked signature, which means this is a secured one. So don't be hesitant to give your information. Click next. Sorry. Now it's fine. Just a moment, it will take time. Don't worry guys. And I forgot to say that if you register within my link in the description, you will get 10 grams. Okay, you will get 10 grams for that. Yeah. So click the link in the description. So click the link in the description and sign in. You will get 10 grams. So let's go to the dashboard here. Here I have no one invited, smart contracts, watched videos, rolls, go to the referrals, time to roll, go free. These are the you can earn these gram cryptocurrencies by inviting someone. If you invite one person, you will get 10 grams. Today's gram price is $2. See, today gram price is $2. I mean, if you earn 500 grams, which means 1000 US dollars, $1000. Wow, just wow. I mean, I don't know how long they are going to give this currency, give these cryptocurrencies free. They will end up being giving this for free soon. So it's time. It's your time to get turned right now. Yeah, you can invite roles, you can smart contracts, watch videos, and lots of like that. So here, go to the videos. I mean, when you earn 100 points, obviously your level will be go to the next round. So let's go here. Here, if I watch this video, then I will get 0.1 gram. So let's watch this. It's around 1 minute. Can I skip? Let's. Here they're showing like I need to watch full video. I need to watch the full video, which means 1.22 minutes. Here, as you can see, I need to wait. And guys, don't, I will mention again, you need to sign up from link in the description. Then only you will get this 10%, 10 grams for registering via my link. I will mention again that because it's very important. You will get like $20 for signing up in this website. $20. Can you believe it? I really can't believe it. It's super awesome. You can do it very easily. Yes, now I think video has been done. Here, watched. Here you can see it's been watched, and my here grams points has been raised 1 to 2. We can see user levels. As you can see, I today points I earned only 2 points. Right here you can see new video reviews was approved 10 points, YouTube video was watched 1 point, pay lottery 2 points, smart contract was signed. I will go to the later in this video how you can sign the smart contract. Referral reached second level, 10 points. Wow. Invitation of a friend 5 points. Wow. Free roll 1. So here, go to the deposit. As you can see, I have not been deposit. I have in here. Deposit mean you purchasing those currencies like some if you are buying cryptocurrencies, this might be familiar with you. Likewise, you can purchase grams currency. Here you can see in withdrawal. Here you can see I haven't earned withdrawals yet, but as soon as I completed 500 grams, here I will do a withdrawal video. Here you can earn free, like here you can see the win 10 gram lucky number is here. You can see the people who are recently earning grams. So here go and it's free grams. Let's go and roll. Come on. Oh shit, I won 1 gram. Okay, it's okay, totally okay. So you can see here free 1 gram total win, total roll. Next roll is after 60 minutes. Wow, next roll is after 60 minutes. Then again you have deposits and withdrawals. You can withdraw your money to your PayPal account. As soon as this completes $500, I will do withdrawal, and here you can see lottery, but you don't need to buy lotteries. If you have so much grams, then you can buy, but in this moment I don't have. And here referrals, and here smart contracts, which means, okay, here says express smart contract with TON reserve in stock. Sign, let's sign here, which means risky contracts mean if you put risky contract, you need to come every day, right? You need to come consecutively, you can't skip, right? It will pay you 1 gram for each and every day you come to this site. That's very, you need to identify, you need to remember that you have been signed a risky contract, and if you are unable to do so, you need to pay a penalty. So I'm going to take 1 gram for 5 days. uh, Maybe not. If you want to, you can, but I think I've been very busy with these days, so let's take it. I will get 0.5 grams. Next confirmation comes after like 5 hours. Guys, here, this is a trustworthy site. I mean level 10, as you can see. So guys, this is it. This is all about the GramFree.com. Don't I will give you more tips and how to earn more grams by this website, and I also have been research on other websites that you can earn cryptocurrencies and convert them into the US dollars by using where there are various converters. I mean, first of all, you need to identify after you earning those cryptocurrencies, you need to convert them into the US dollars, which means you need to use a converter. In my next videos, I will teach you how to use a converter in a proper way in English. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I recently start doing I mean, I recently start this YouTube channel in this current time period. So guys, if you need to, I do those things with my own, but I hope in this current I always want to help. So that's why I start this YouTube channel. So guys, don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the bell for more videos. Thank you.